To get a new KohlS card, you first need to determine the reason for the replacement. If your card is lost, stolen, or damaged, you will need to request a replacement. If you are a new customer, you can apply for a KohlS card online or in store. To apply online, go to the KohlS website and click on the credit card section. Fill out the application form with your personal and financial information. Submit the application and wait for a response. If you are approved, your new card will be mailed to you within a few days. If you prefer to apply in store, visit your local KohlS and ask a sales associate for a credit card application. They will guide you through the process and help you submit your application. If you need to replace an existing card, you can do so online or by phone. To replace your card online, log into your KohlS credit card account and click on the Manage Account section. Select the option to request a replacement card and follow the prompts. To replace your card by phone, call the KohlS credit card customer service number and let them know that you need a replacement card. They will ask for your account information and verify your identity before processing your request. Once you have requested a replacement card, it will be mailed to you within a few days. You can continue to use your old card until the new one arrives. But be aware that the old card will be deactivated once the new one is activated. It is also important to note that you can only have one KohlS card account per person. If you have multiple cards, you will need to consolidate them into a single account. This can be done online or by calling the customer service number. In addition to replacing a lost or damaged card, you can also request a new card if your information has changed. For example, if you have moved or changed your name, you will need to update your account information and request a new card. Overall, getting a new KohlS card is a straightforward process that can be completed online or in store. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can get a new card and continue to enjoy the benefits of being a KohlS cardholder.